mwante wana wakwalisa. If I share but now Shamani Palamagela and I think he's Sunday Nalaya. If I share Sunday, amen. Before that, na kwata ko okupira ubuntu bwakobazi nali umubiri wanzu walifiwalwana nangu ndenda nalolesha mumira pamashops filolenda ule mwana kwati nimbibala kushika mayo umubiri waliwa pompondeka na problems namba fyokulalwala okula pafi nga mama no umubiri te once I was wearing 14 na size up size 10. But I thank God for the grace upon Apostle Chileshe. Thank you so much for the grace of healing and restoration. I have my son by the name of Chileshe, the last born, is 7. So when he saw that I was restored and testifying, he started calling himself that he's Apostle Chileshe. I thank God because I've seen the mercies of the Lord in this church. Amen. I'm not a person who just join a church anyhow, and I don't like that. I'll go and see. But when I came and see and found mercy, it's not a joke. Before I came here, I've gone through stuff which I never thought I'd go through. It's not a joke. I just gave, actually, Pastor, I'm so sorry. Thank you for the restoration. I gave my life to death. I remember my mother when she was talking to me, I was so furious over some life issues. I cursed myself. I just said, it's even better to die than this. Amen. But that Sunday, the second Sunday,